insert a record. Okay, how to access the record. So for this, wow, what are different steps? So we have to go to this and write here Mongo. So installation steps are very easy. I have installed this yesterday only. I think here it is the steps. Yes. So this is my first step. Okay. Here wget, and I have to write all these statements which I have shown you in the copy part. Okay, you have to go to mongodb doc.mongodb.org. On that you are able to see the how to install. So this is the first step, second step this one, third step is this one, and fourth one is this one. Last one is a sudo apt get install mongodb hyphen enterprise. So this way I have installed. Now I am going to show you Mongo. Okay. So here it shows me prompt. It means that we are at the correct position. Now how to create a database. So I can use, I don't create and create MMCOE database. So here instead of creation I have to use MMCOE. So now I am in a MMCOE database. Now I have to create the database. So I have to write db dot database name. So I can create database student. Okay, this way I'm going to create a database student. So always remember we have to give this key and value pair. Okay, so I'm going to give name colon xyz comma then age colon 2050 comma 25 comma your address colon 20. Okay, so this way we are going to create. One minute, here I have to give one more square bracket. It is 1 minute. I'm going to show you. There is a simple okay. So each and everything here. Here I have inserted multiple documents. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to insert a single record into this. So I can write a query to insert a record. So I have to write database name db. Okay, sorry, I have not written insert name. So it is showing us this error. So I have to write here insert. Okay, insert, then I have to, this is my function, so I have to write like this. So 1 minute, insert emp, then square bracket, 1 minute. Okay, then curly brace, and this curly brace is in the middle. So you are able to see this. So by mistake I have not written insert and trying to insert, so it is showing an error. Now you are able to see how I am going to insert it. Okay, so insert is very easy. I have to write db dot r db dot r collection name. Instead of calling a database, I am calling, instead of calling a table name, I am calling here as the collection name. Okay, the student is collection name. Insert is my function which help us to insert a record. Now here I am trying to insert using this query. So here my curly brace starts, curly brace end. I have inserted one record. How I have inserted? I have written this name colon xyz. This is my key, this is my value, this is my key, this is my value, key and value pair. Here by using this I have inserted records. Now if I wanted to insert multiple records, so I can insert a multiple records by giving the square bracket. by giving the square bracket. So if I wanted to insert this record again, okay, so I'm going to create array of the, so I have to give here comma, then insertion. Yes. So now I'm going to change this address Mumbai is 35 and name is LM. Okay. Uh, 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 hmm, then mistake. 1 minute. I think it is mistakenly pressed. Okay. I have to give here comma. This is my one collection, one tuple. Next, my tuple is here. So one tuple is called as a document over here. So always remember, okay, whenever I have to give this, I have to use here. 1 minute. Hmm, this is next तो ये तो आगे जा रहे हैं. Okay. So insert this query I have to copy. Okay. So what we have to understand this. This is my single. Okay. First, you understand this. This is my single tuple. Single document. Okay. So single document in my collection. Now I have to copy this and I'm going to paste here. Paste here. Yes. So this is my second tuple. Now I'm going to insert one more tuple over here. Paste. So these are three tuples. Now I have to write here array. Now I have to write here array. Okay. Array is, so always remember in a curly brace I have to write a tuple. Okay. So don't think it is very confusion. Okay. See with the syntax. So I have again changed this. So to make you very easy to understand what I have did. So see here in a curly brace I have to give the collection. Means I have to give the tuple. Okay. Single tuple with this. See. This is my single tuple. This is my next tuple. This is my third tuple. I have separated by comma. Now this is, we are trying to insert multiple records, so I have to give a square bracket over here. So here we have given one square bracket complete. So instead of inserting a single record, I have to insert three records. Let's check. So you are able to see that here how many records are inserted? 3 records are inserted. Now I have to check the records. So how to check the records? It is very easy to check the records using DB. So I am able to check the records using db.student.find. Find is a command like select query in RDBMS. The same thing is here using find query. Find is a similar to select query. Okay, find म्हणजे काहीतरी शोधून search करा. So here we are able to see this. So first one is the object ID. Object ID means everything, each and everything is a store in the collection is having a particular ID. Each and every tuple is having one ID. It is called as a JSON object. Okay. So which will be helping us to fetch and show the results. Now there is a one more command which is a pretty. Pretty is showing us very pretty way of displaying the records like this. So it is showing me how many records are inserted in the collection, how many tuples are inserted. You are able to see this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tuples are inserted and it is in very pretty format. Okay. So now there are different commands to search a particular thing from the tuple. So if I wanted to search particular name, okay, and see the record. So how to search? So db dot our collection name student dot find. Find command is helping us to search a particular record from the file. Now this is my function. So this is my function symbol. Now I have to give the key. Name. आता सगळेच नाव XYZ आहेत. So I don't. It has to show all the records. बराबर आहे? So I'm going to show you XYZ. Yes. So I tried to insert one more record. So it is very easy. 1 minute. Okay. here. So I'm going to change this. So it is going to fetch us single record from the file. Okay, now I'm going to run this. So instead of XYZ, I have to check element record. So here, how to access the record? In the find command, I have to write the which things I have to retry. So I can write here pretty also. So you're able to see this name, whose name is XYZ. I need to fetch all the records. So you are able to see this. Name is element, age is 55, address is Mumbai. Okay, so find is helping us to find a particular record from the file. Okay, now, so now I'm going to insert one more record. Okay, I'm trying to give different age. Okay, so now I wanted to check the ages of, I wanted to check the persons whose age is less than something. So I am reading the problem statement from the lab manual. Okay, second is we have to check the age whose age is less than 40. Okay, so we have four persons whose age is less than 40. Okay, let's check how to display. So I have to use a find command, and here I have to give the particular logic. So logic is I have to search for a age. So here I am giving age. Okay, age. Okay, so age I have logic. So again I have to give a curly brace, and here I have to use a dollar variables. So dollar LT, dollar LT for the less than, and now how much I have to check whose salary, whose age is less than 40. Okay, so I have to display all the records whose age is less than 40. So see, you are able to see this, all the persons whose age is less than 40. To XYZ we have inserted all the ages at 25, so it is showing that 4 records. So how to do this? So always remember the trick to identify the curly braces. Errors I observed in the previous year students practicals are, they are helpless when they are not able to find how, where to give the curly braces. Okay, so function with the round brackets you already know, and curly brace for the key. So this is my key, and so key and value. So to search value I am giving directly colon 40, but I have to give the condition, then I have to use that again in a curly brace like this. समझते का? Yes or no? Mayuresh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so हे झालं, we are able to search for a less than 20 40. So can I check for greater than 40, greater than 30? So GT I have to write greater than 40. So I'm able to see whose age is greater than 40. Okay, so now we have inserted multiple record also. We have covered that. We have inserted 5 record directly. We have seen. Now I have to update. Okay, I have to use update query. So how to update a particular record? So to update a record, I have to use update query. Student update. Okay, like update in RDBMS, here we also have the update. In update, you know this is my command, and now I have to use a curly brace. Curly brace for a specific. So here, which thing I have to update and to which I have to set. These two things are very important. First in which thing I need to update, and which what I need to set. ओके, जे काय अपडेट करायचं आणि काय करायचं त्याचं, म्हणजे कोणती व्हॅल्यू अपडेट करायची आणि त्याला काय सेट करायचंय. दोन कर्ली ब्रेस समजले का? फर्स्ट कर्ली ब्रेस कोणती व्हॅल्यू अपडेट करायची आणि त्याला काय सेट करायचंय. ओके, ते दोन ब्रेस. फर्स्ट वन, आय नीड टू चेंज age. Okay, age is equals to whose age is equals to 40. I need to change that to, so I can write here set. Okay, set colon, which I need to set, that I have to write in a curly brace. So I'm going to write here, I have to set the age colon 55. Okay, so you are able to see this. We have changed the age of a person whose age is 40, we set to 55. समजलं का? So curly brace, how I've given curly brace? I've given you with the example that, see, I wanted to use two curly brace first. Okay, first curly brace is which is I need to check and which I need to set. Okay, so this is my first curly brace which I need to check. This is my second curly brace which I need to set. Okay, ही व्हॅल्यू चेक करणार आहे का आणि मग ही सेट करणार आहे. Okay, so I have a curly brace second. Now set. So which I need to set? So again I have to give a key and value for this. So again it is in a curly brace. So this way we updated. Let's check the value is updated or not using pretty. Now we have two persons element with the 55 same age because we have changed it 40 to 50. समजला का? Now I have to display you one more. So समजतंय सगळ्यांना? Yes students, समजतंय का? So just check. I'm going to create one more collection db dot, okay, db dot employee. We can create employee dot insert, okay, and I'm going to insert a particular record. So this is my command. Now whatever I have to insert, that I have to give with this. Okay, so I'm going to give the name is abc, comma, I'm going to give a salary again in double quotes, salary colon, okay, 30,000, comma, next age is okay, 23, department is IT. Okay, this is my first record. I'm going to insert multiple records, so it is easy to iterate and you are able to see the record very easily. Okay, so next is this one. Okay, so now I'm going to change something so it is easy to understand. So I have inserted two records. Okay, now, okay, it is considered as a one single record. I have to give this way. Okay, now two records are inserted. So I am going to give the some particular commands that I have to check the salary and the department. Okay. Okay, so now we have the salary with, so I can show you with a pretty operation in emp.pretty. So able to see the records, okay, which is already inserted. We have the three records, okay, ABC2 and LM in third record. So let's check how to update the salary by 22,000 of particular person. So how to do this? I have to use the update command. Okay, so update having two things that I told you. We want two curly braces, first curly brace and second curly brace. So first curly brace is whose value I need to set. So I'm going to give name, okay, whose name is ABC, okay, whose name is ABC. I need to change that. So what I have to do? So I have one more operator that is incremental operator. So INC, increment. Okay, so what I wanted to increment, that I can give you here in curly brace, that I wanted to increment a salary, okay, by, I wanted to increment a salary by 20,000. Okay, okay, so let's check. So here, so we have to see the it is updated or not. So it is showing no modification. So let's check. find dot pretty. It is not incremented, students. 1 minute. I don't think so. Some mistakes I did. I think so. Implement one. If anyone is finding any mistakes that I've given a colon, comma, something error over here. So I think I have to check, find and find the name. 1 minute. I'm going to change this. Name is over here or not. Name colon ABC. This will be helping us to check name is there. Yes. So we have two records. So I think I'm going to change this name. Okay, because we have modified. So yes. So why it is given? Because we have created ABC with the first one with the wrong way. So it will be overlapping of the ABC. So it is not able to find. Now I've given element. So it is now shown updated first. Match and modified. So now element salary is 10,000. Let's check element salary is increase or not. Okay. So let's check element salary is increase or not. Now element salary is not still it is incremented. Match modified. काय चुकलंय कोणाला कळतंय का? Is there anyone is able to find it out why it is not getting updated over here? It is shown that it is matched and she is able to find this element. Is modified also it is showing, but here the value we are getting the same 10,000 rupees 10000. So anyone is able to tell me? So we have written increment a salary by 20,000. Very is correct I think so. So okay, we cannot waste time for this query. We can go for the next query. Okay, and try to implement at your home also. I'm going to share a video, so able to implement one by one this query. Okay, so let's check on your machine. It is showing updated. Why here it is not showing? I'm not able to get. That it is showing modified, but here it is same. So you can run on your machine also. Okay, so we can go for the next problem statement. That is, we have to set a particular extra. So I'm taking this, I'm going from the lab manual that we have completed this incrementing salary by 20,000 this one. Okay, update department. Instead of department, I have changed that to age. We have changed the age. Okay. So instead of employee class, I have taken a student class and shown you all the these things. Okay. Now I have to add a employee ID. Okay. So now we are at the 11th problem statement. We have seen all this. So we have per age whose age is 25 greater than 5,000. Incrementing we have seen. Now we are here. Okay. Now I have to add email ID. So how to add email ID? So I have to write update. Okay. So again in update, I have two curly braces. This one first, this one second. In between this, I have to give a comma. Now in the first, which I need to change, I have to change the person's name. Who I need to add that I have to mention here. I have to add into name whose name is element. Okay, whose name is element. I need to change his email ID. So I have to add email ID. Who those I have not given. So I have to give the email ID column, extra column in a table. So I have to use add call dollar add to set. Okay. So add to set colon. Then which thing I need to add? I can mention here. I am going to add here email as my column name, and this value is I have to give in the square bracket that lmn@gmail.com. Okay, this way we have given. Okay, so add to set is helping us because we don't have email ID column in our tuple. So we need that email ID column extra added to the, and it is we are also setting the value for this. So for which tuple I have to add this set the whose name is LMN. समजतंय का ज्याचं नाव LMN आहे त्याच्या इथे त्याला email address add करायचा आहे. We know this, we have name, salary and age. We don't have email ID in any one of the column as any one of the column. So but still, as it is a schema less, so it is an unstructured database. So we have a semi-structured, okay, structural and non-structural documents. So structural means where we are giving the particular schema, that is we define the structure first. So you know this, we have created a table first, then we have inserted a document into that. Here we have not created a collection, we have directly inserted a document as we want. So we can see it is we are not created any structure in our NoSQL. Okay, as well as we have seen this how to. So now we don't have a column email ID, but still we have added. We are able to add using add to set. Now we are able to see this using add to set. How to add a particular column. I have not completed of this. Something. Let's check what I have missed over here. Curly brace for this. One more curly brace and one more column. Now we are able to see this. Okay, what we did here is my first, always remember which thing I need to change. Okay, where I need to change and which thing I need to change. Okay, कुठे करायचे आणि काय करायचे असे दोन ऑप्शन्स आहेत. तर मला इथे ईमेल आयडी सेट करायचं तर प्रिटी आता करून बघू आता येते का. सो लेट्स चेक हुज नेम इज एलिमेंट and here 1 minute. Updated दाखवतो काय येत नाहीये. db dot, sorry, here we have to write employee now instead of here, so I have to write here student if I use for a student query. So see here, so why here I did a mistake. Instead of writing over here I have written here student. I'm trying to update on a student and trying to add email to students. Okay, so I have to check for a student and I am checking for the employee. So it is not affecting the employee collection, it is affecting the student collection. Now I written a student. समजलं का काय झालं होतं. समजलं का काय मी काय केलं चुकून स्टुडंट वर क्वेरी फायर केली आणि चेक करताना एम्प्लॉई लिहिलं. तर ऑब्विसली एम्प्लॉई वर अपडेट नाही झालेला, स्टुडंट वर एम्प्लॉई अपडेट झाले, त्यामुळे तसा रिझल्ट आला. ओके, नाव जी आपण ही क्वेरी केली ती पण बहुतेक स्टुडंट वर केली असणार आहे, त्याच्यामुळे ती दिसली नाही आपल्याला रिझल्ट. अपडेटेड लावलं ना त्यांनी. हे बघा ही दिस क्वेरी also work on a student and try to find employee. Okay, here I have done a mistake. So I think we need to complete this again. So you're able to see the results. Now this is okay, incrementing. Instead of up, I have to write in because my collection name is different. Now check. See, it is incremented 10,000 incremented by 20,000. We get 30,000 for element. So you able to see this? Yes. So now updated, as well as we are going to check this second statement, that is add. So I'm going to add here EMP. Okay, now check with the EMP class. Okay, now let's check with the EMP. So you're able to see this whose element. Now email ID is added over here. Okay, so this is possible with adding the email ID into this. Now change, we have added the email ID. We have seen the pretty operation. Next कौन सा command है? We have seen all these things. So we are able to delete all the employees record documents from the operation department. So there we can have, so let's check how to search for a particular remove. So there is a, instead of find, we have a remove command. So remove is like a delete records. Okay. So for deleting a records, always remember we have to give a specific condition. If we are not going to give a specific condition, then it is having a issue that all the things are getting deleted. So I'm going to give here, I have to delete the name whose name is ABC. Whose name is ABC. Then I need to delete all the records whose name is ABC. So two records are removed. Let's check. Yes. So now we have only single record, that is element, because ABC records are deleted. Yes. So we have deleted the records whose department is element. Now we have one more query, that is sort all the documents. So now sorting operation is there. How to sort? So sorting is very easy, simple, not so easy. Okay. So it is also with the find query. समजते का कन्फ्युजन होत आहे? सो हे तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना घरी गेलं की इन्स्टॉल करा आणि वन बाय वन स्टेप्स जे दिलेत मी ते करून बघा. मी हे सगळे कॉपी करते स्टेप्स. ओके, आणि एक वर्ड फाईल बनवून तुम्हाला शेअर करते. चालेल. So we know this, to find we have to give first curly brace comma, we have a second curly brace. Okay, in the second curly brace we have to give the things that we have to check and which things I need to show. So I wanted to show name, okay, whose name is, I wanted to search all the record, name, comma, salary, colon, comma, age, colon. Okay, next age one, curly brace complete for first one. Next, okay, so this I have given name, salary and age I have given. Now I wanted to use a sort. So on which operations I need to use a sort, that I have to give here in the sort command. In the sort command again I have to give a curly brace. Curly brace is indication of name and value pair. So I wanted to sort using name. So we have only single record. Now I'm going to change with this. Student I have to use. So 1 minute, I'm going to insert again. So show you how to do with multiple find operations. So I'm going to again insert. Okay, so we have inserted two records. So now we are going to run this query. Okay, so let's check. So now we are going to update this query using sort operations. So sort operation is the operations where we have written name, which records we need to display. So I need to display name, salary and age only. Okay, we have name, salary, age, email address. We have name, age, salary, department, and email ID. Instead of that, I wanted to display only name, salary and age. So we have given 111. One means we have to display that things. Okay, and we have with the find. Okay, this is my find query. Okay, this is my find query. I need to append sort function to this. Okay, this is my find function, find query. This is my sort query. So we have appended this query with the find. So find dot sort. Okay, so sort, by which things I have to sort? By using name we are sorting. So instead of name we can use the age. So let's check how to sort with age. So age are different, so we can get the value age. So we have sorted with age wise 23, 25, 25 like this. So we can change that to salary also. So you are able to say 10, 30, 30. The salary when we change in element ABC in element we are able to see here. So now we are at the problem statement. We have completed sorting the document using name. Okay. Now display first three for except for. Okay. So now these three commands are remaining. Display only first three records. So how to display first three records? So there is a limit command. On a find we have a limit. So find, instead of here I'm going to give the limit dot limit. Like sort function and pretty function, we have limit functions. In limit functions, how many record I wanted to display, that can I show with the two. So limit how many records I wanted to display. So I can use a pretty over here also in this. So I'm able to see the record using pretty in a very precise order. Okay, so I can limit that to one also or anything. Limit one. So we are able to fetch only one record, two record like this. Okay. Now last commands are run commands. Run commands are renaming a particular databases. So there are run commands like a show DBS. So show DBS is helping us to show all the databases. So we have created MMCA database. In the previously I have created test database. So MMCA and test databases we have created. Admin and local database are the their databases. Okay. Now I have to use the run commands. Run commands, how to create a run commands using db.run command. Okay. So so C is a capital in a run command. Okay. db.run command. I have to give the curly brace. Okay. So always remember curly brace is very important in this. So here I have to use a function. Okay. So rename collection is a function. Rename C is a capital colon. I have to give which things I need to rename. So I'm going to rename employee collection. Okay, I wanted to rename employee collection. To which collection? So I have to give colon and the name. So I'm going to give it to employee. समजलं का मी काय केलं? We have changed the name of a collection. My collection name is employee. Now I have to change that collection name EMP to employee. Okay, so let's check how many collections are there. To check are update, yeah, it is updated or not. Show collections, like show DBs, we have a show collections. So able to see this EMP is why it is not implemented. 1 minute. The relation collection maybe. Query is okay, then why it is showing problem? Is anything you find I have did a mistake over here, students? Employee collection. Run command. Employee rename collection first. So I think so. I have to check this why it is not working. Rename collection. Okay. I think I have to give the database name also. So the database name I have used. Which database I have created? Use create MMCO. You know. Use MMCO. So I'm going to write this. So can it be possible? Let's check MMCO dot employee. MMCO dot employee. So this query is not working. So I think I need to show you here again. Okay, in the next practical why this is not coming. So what we've seen, all the queries are working. This run command is here facing a problem. So we can check this. Okay, the next practical two commands are remaining from this. That is administrative commands. This one. Okay, so in the next practical we are able to see all the administrative commands. Okay, so 1 minute. So today we have seen second practical of my first and second practical. Okay, so with this it's 2 p.m. only. We have started at 1 p.m. now. So I think we are going to check for third assignment also. Okay. Instead of taking MongoDB assignment, I'm going to take uh, simple assignment. That is a map reduce operation. Okay. So I wanted to tell you map reduce operations with the basic example that. Okay. So as we have, we know this in a Facebook. Okay. Very basic example that I wanted to share you. Okay. As we have Facebook on our WhatsApp. So whenever we are at one particular message, we like the message. We have forwarded to multiple users. Yes, we are. Those are our friends. Those are in different groups. We are sharing that thought with other persons also. So what happens? One single thing is shared between multiple persons. When it is sharing with the multiple persons, at that time what happens? When it is sharing with the multiple persons, at that time what it happens? It will be creating the copies. When you think if I share the one particular message with 100 persons, then 100 messages will be created and it is require 100 times memory. Okay, if I share with the 100 people. So instead of that, what we have to do, we have to consider the example of map reduce operation. Okay, so map reduce operation is the reduce. Here is a map and reduce. Two words are different. They are working together to perform some operations. And this terminology is used in a big data concept because big data is the data. Okay, big data. So I have to tell you one more thing. 1 minute.